How to buy official Tiger King token. Now this token came under the symbol of exotic. Now before it starts, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert, so before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. Now before going on buy this token, make sure to check the REFERRAL account and keep following the updates about this token. As you can see, this token is available on the screener. It's created 1 day ago and increased by 200% in the last 24 hours. This token trending number 13 on the Solana section. To be able to buy this token, click here to copy the token address. Now open your function wallet for that. Now click here on swap. Make sure that you have enough Solana on your wallet. Now click here and paste the token address in the search bar. As you can see, this is our token. Click on it. Now here you can type how much you want to buy. So here you will be able to see how much you receive, as you can see. Now after that, to select the provider, you can click on pricing, click on provider. Now select Jupiter, for example, click on apply. Now go back, and as you can see here, click on swap, and you will be able to redact to the Jupiter provider page to be able to buy this token. So this is how to buy exotic token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.